afternoon, guys. I'm fixing an old phone. This one is an old model, like SPH-L720. This one is my phone's wife back the days when she went to the Philippines. That was 2014, and when the phone broke, she didn't use anymore, but she had some important files inside here, so I have to fix it. So since it won't charge anymore, and I found out that this port, the thing inside bent, so it doesn't work anymore. If it's like back home, we can just go to the junk shop and buy it, our friend's electronics shop, cell phone shop. We can just order this, but the problem is over here we cannot order, so we have to order the whole thing. So this thing I ordered for like $10, almost $11. Then this is the whole thing now. Yeah, with the whole port. So let us see if it works. Something wrong in here. This one is bent. This thing here. Is fine now. This one is a little, bent. So let me see. So this one needs to be aligned here. I have to clip this in here. So this is, guys, if it's not this phone is pretty old. So it's funny, during that time 2014, I didn't have like even touch phone. I had that keypad that had backlight. Okay, this one I have to touch. I think everything is in, but I have to lock the port. I have to put this thing. Then I have to put the battery, guys. So let us see if it works. Let me turn it on first. But let me just lock this. Let me turn it on.
She wants to be, they want to be me and you making it ruining it. I go home tomorrow, he's like, come on, what's up with that? No, my cousin's not a weirdo.
I have to charge this. So now, guys, I charge it. It's charging now. So let us see. So let us see if it works. So hopefully Let me turn it on. Yes. Oh my god, Samsung Galaxy S4. It's an old type, old phone. But way back 2014, this was expensive. Sprint. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's my baby. That's my baby. This is here now. This is her now. She's big now. My daughter, she's beautiful. Like that.